kita i-exit dire. Ang akong exit na sa may City Hall Dapit o sa Osmeña Street. Dili na nakabalik ko agi dire. Daghang salamat. Wala kita i-exit.
To 2027 for the following levels: preschool, elementary, and junior high school. CXN offers a holistic educational training with devotion to Señor Santo Niño. Be an Agustinian student now. You may inquire at the following numbers: 256-2197 or 326-6260, locals 101-108-114-115 or 127. Another announcement: the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, or CAAP, has permitted the two airplanes of Indiana Aerospace University and Ormoc Air to drop flowers from the skies when Señor Santo Niño crosses the border of Mactan-Cebu Harbor Channel in fluvial procession on January 17, 2026 at 5:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and declared the Mactan Channel as no-fly zone. We are appealing to the Santo Niño devotees to contribute and send flowers and your prayer petition to Señor Santo Niño already packed in bags so that it's easier for IAU pilot to drop the flowers and prayer petition to Señor Santo Niño on board the Galleon ship already along the Mactan-Cebu Harbor Channel at the rear of these events. For your convenience,